Back to the session. The topic is applications of friction. If you want friction related topics, the link was given in the description. Kindly click the link and watch the videos. If you really like it, please subscribe the channel. So coming to the topic, connected bodies. Okay, so look at this diagram here. I have two objects which are connected through a massless string, and this is the rotatable pulley. Okay, so this pulley will rotate either clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction freely. Okay, so this is freely rotatable pulley. Okay, and here mass of the first object is more as comparing to mass of the second object. Okay, so whenever the first body mass is more, automatically the first body comes down and the second body moves horizontally, right? So the total weight m1g acting vertically downward direction and tension was acting opposite side. Okay, so we know that from Newton's second law, force is equal to mass into acceleration, right? So this force, which is split into two parts, one is action minus another one is reaction, is equal to MA. Okay, now leave it the second part. According to first part, the first body was coming downward, right? That means the weight m1g is the action, tension is the reaction. So we can write it as m1g minus T is equal to m1a. Let us assume this is equation number 1. Okay, now leave it this first part, because whenever the first part is coming downward, automatically the second part moves horizontally, right? So in that case, tension is maximum as comparing to the friction. So tension is treated as action. Okay, so T minus friction. Kinetic friction means, what is the formula? Mu k mg. So mu k mg or m2g is equal to m2a. So let us assume equation number 2. As usual, add 1 and 2. Add equation 1 and 2. What will happen? This minus t plus t cut. What is the remaining left side? m1g minus mu k m2g is equal to m1 plus m2 into a. Okay, so after getting this, look at here, left side, g is the common term, right? So take outside. So m1 minus mu k g into m2, sorry, mu k m2 g is equal to m1 plus m2 into a. So easily we can calculate acceleration from this equation. So bring this acceleration left side. A is equal to m1 minus mu k m2 into g by m1 plus m2. Okay, so this is the acceleration when a block moves downward with some acceleration. Okay, so I hope you understand. Thank you.